Welcome to this video on casts and impressions. We will explore how different types of impressions are used as evidence. Impressions can be classified into three types: patent, latent, and plastic. Patent impressions are visible, two-dimensional marks. Latent impressions are not visible to the naked eye. Plastic impressions are three-dimensional, left in materials like mud, and represent class or individual evidence. Dental impressions, such as bite marks, can provide individual evidence. Dental patterns are used to identify remains and suspects at crime scenes. DNA profiles can also be obtained from saliva left at the scene. Shoe impressions or shoe prints offer vital information. We analyze the size, the depth of the impression related to weight, and the shoe type, which can indicate personality or lifestyle. Further analysis includes activity, unique features, the number of people, and their movements at a crime scene. Preserving footprint evidence starts with photographs. Latent impressions are lifted using techniques like luminol, dusting, electrostatic lifting, and gel lifting. Plastic impressions are preserved by creating casts using materials like plaster of Paris for mud or dental stone for snow. Footwear databases are crucial tools for law enforcement. They help identify potential shoe makes and models from recovered impressions, linking evidence to known sources. Tire evidence can link a suspect or victim to a crime scene and reveal the events that took place. Types of tire marks include skid marks, yaw marks from sideways skids, and tire scrubs made during or after an impact. Preservation of tire marks involves photographs and measurements. The examination focuses on the type, make, and model of the tire and how the vehicle was driven. Casts create a permanent impression of plastic prints left at a crime scene. These casts are typically made using plaster of Paris or dental stone to capture the three-dimensional detail of the impression. Thank you for watching this video on casts and impressions.